Fix the pre. Yeah. I'm sipping on OP and Patron, niggas, some shit like that, you know? Yeah. 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 Swear I'm feeling like my greatest ever. Niggas like a Cuban link, the way we stay together. Shout out all my exes, y'all just made me better. I had a couple of your friends rock my favorite sweaters. Strip club with sun and rain, the way we changed the weather. We ain't pay together. I feel like I got mob ties, the way I made forever. Fuck them bitches, they ain't gotta run no numbers. My niggas so up in digits, we the paid dogs, made money, made sauce. Niggas gotta feel a nigga, not a single day off, no.
These right here. It's something serious. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Universal Cakes here, coming back at you with another sneaker restoration video. I'm just killing y'all with these right about now. But y'all already know what it is. You know that I'm always coming back to bring something back to you. And these, I think people are just challenging me now. Cause like every time I'm coming, it's getting beater and beater and beater. Now these beat, these not like those so I beat, they beat. So let's get your shoes. So we got Mist 4s. Now see, this right here, this just hurt my heart, man. Like the 4 is my favorite retro, and to see somebody do this to these, look at that, look at that. That's just abuse, bro. So you know that I'm gonna have to bring these back to life. I'm gonna have to. It's only right. I'm gonna have to bring them. So the things that I'm gonna be doing, as you can see, these midsoles is like beyond perfect. Like I could just take my finger and just peel it off. Like, look, it's flaking off. Look at that. It's just coming off. So you know I'm gonna be repainting the midsole only. I got to fix that toe cap. Look at my eyes. My eye. I got to fix that toe cap, bro. That toe cap is ugly. Ugly. Like, and then the wings, I just gotta treat the whole new bug. But I gotta be careful around here though. But I got a special treatment for this. Then I'm in yellow this part because this is not the right shade of blue. Shade of blue should be way darker than this. Like, this is the right shade. Like, you can see the difference. So I'm gonna be doing that. Then, of course, moving the crease. Y'all wish me luck. You know I got it. I'm Universal Cakes. And this is, y'all meet me inside the cleaning station. Deuces. Hey, yo, boss man.
Yo.
Yo, dog.
Send me the link to book my ticket. I'm booking my ticket. Friday.
Dog, you're in the YouTube video, dog. Say what's up to the world, dog.
What's up?
Tell
What
them
you guys doing?
tell them who you is, dog.
Hey.
Tell them who the real Jamaican Dandada.
What that's supposed to be?
You slow, bro. Shit.
Yo, what for the dance though, like what we doing? The same look as prom, like, or
Yeah, just Brent, bro. You don't even got a sauce like that. It's homecoming, bro. We'll tee up for my prom, bro. You coming back here for prom, and we gonna tee up. That's when you gotta flex on it.
No, that's what I'm saying. Should I pull up the the slip-ons,
Bro, just pull out what you
Yeah.
had on for prom
Fair.
last year, bro.
I like to change it up sometimes. I'm gonna come up with something new. I got you. I'm gonna come up with something new. They gonna be like, yo, I'm going Japanese, guy. If you pick up what I'm talking about.
Okay. Alright, y'all. For this one, we're going to do a different approach. I'm going to remove the paint off of the midsoles before I clean the shoes. Just because the paint is already brittle as I don't know what. And when I clean the shoe, paint flakes still going to come off. And sometimes they like stick on the suede and stuff. So I just want to get a good clean once the shoe. Well, the paint's all nice and removed and all that. So let's get to removing this paint.
Tell me, is it lit now? I don't wanna let my own bitch down, but she having fun drinking rosé. I don't even know how to throw down. I don't like to play with a lie, yeah. Oh, we like to play with fire, yeah. It's lit. Just tell me, are you win? Tell me, is it lit now? I don't wanna let my own bitch down, but she having fun drinking rosé. I don't even know how to throw down. Tell me, is it lit now? I don't wanna let my own bitch down, but she having fun drinking rosé. I don't even know how to throw down. Lit now. Tell me, is it lit now? I don't wanna let my own bitch down, but she having fun drinking rosé.
As you can see, I removed all the paint from off the midsole successfully. Look at that. Now it is time for me to give this shoe a general cleaning, all on the suede and all that, you know, on the laces. So
DJ they like, who's that nigga inside of the two-door? Whip doors like the inside of a fruit bowl. Oh, your flow lukewarm, nigga, my dough too long. I ain't gotta buy it, I'm surviving off the coupons. Who the best? So who the fuck is it? And if it ain't me, then who the fuck is it? A section with some bottles and not too much in it. Nowadays it's all it takes for us to fluff bitches. So let's get a drink on. My Huddersfield mink on. Money feels something like I just took Brinks home. What's longer? My money on my link on. I'm navigating women, I don't even drive a link on. I shine so bright, you would've swore I had pink on. Neck so froze like I got the roller rink on. As far as your mouth go, you need to put a pin on, cause all I hear is running like the sink on. Damn. Can we get much higher? Yes, we can. Why yes, we can get higher.
Right guys, so now that I got the suede and all that nice and clean, now I got to do the unyellowing of these little rubber stuff on the midsole, because it's not the correct shade of blue. So you can see the difference. This one way lighter than this. So we're gonna be using, of course, Angela's Soul Bright to make these the correct color. So let's get into it.
Pilot Perkberry. Don't swerve, don't swerve, don't swerve. Don't swerve, don't swerve, don't swerve. Metro Boomin want some more, nigga. Back in licks. Back on that dirty stroke, back on the block. He back serving birdies, plug in my switch. Damn, he woke me up early. If that bitch smell like Swiss, oh no service. Back in.
Now that I am done removing the creases from out the toe box, next thing I'm gonna be doing is getting this little fuzziness all right here on this toe cap. And to be doing that, I'm gonna be using a shaver or some clippers to do some of y'all hairline with. So let's get into it. So we back, except this time we in the paint studio, and we doing my favorite part of every restoration, because this is the most slightest part of a restoration. It is that paint and that midsole, bro. But yeah, so you know we gonna hit this with some Angelus flat white acrylic paint, and that's all, because the whole midsole is white. So this is even more slick. So now we're gonna get on to is the taping. So let's get it.
Turn it down a little bit. Yeah. Turn me up a little bit. Yeah. Hey, not up the flex. 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 Hey, Papa told me keep it real, so I'ma keep it real. Lamborghini kept it trill and died off a pill. For my niggas in the field, those who rob and steal. You know Fergie got the juice, you bout to feel like steel. And now I'm about to flex, I'm about to flex. I'm about to cop the Lex, ring with the baguettes. My uncle had the tech in his mama bed. My grandma had the llama, she was with the set. And now I'm about to flex, why you so upset? Cause a couple bitches wet, they be with the sex. Marty with the set, Tory with the set. Did a deal with Adidas, but I'm getting checked. Not up the flex. Not up the flex, 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 not up the flex.
I got a white bitch thicker than my black bitch. Her shit so dumb I needed Fergie for the ad-lib. This pinky ring on me, it cost a nigga 10 Hondas. I blew 100K that week, that's on my dead mama. Look, I got 27 different hated niggas hating on me, and I'm just like fuck them all. Fergie tell these niggas how I sound when I see them in the street and brush them off. For them niggas, they was hating on me, even though a nigga used to tell them all. I was never ever gang, I was one umbrella mall. Took it cooking in the hallway, had to do this shit the hard way. Was just a little nigga, now I'm stepping over Jimmy Kimmel in the ball, man. Big dog on campus, thick broad just landed. Swag sharp like a jigsaw, sent 6 off in your wag, father.
Not up the flex, 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 hey. She one umbrella millionaires. She money since she young nigga. Fuck. We was just little niggas on and off the corner. I just wanna be a ball, but I was just a little nigga, just a little nigga. Then I hit my little lick. Same day I got rich. Then I tried 600, told them bitches I'm big homie. Told them niggas they to turn me to the